PMR industry doesn't just rely on sound business practices. Just as importantly, it relies on trust. So, why should you trust Hytera? The answer is here. Introducing the first Industry 4.0 smart factory in the PMR industry that makes production more sustainable, more efficient, more safe, and more precise than ever. The Hytera Global Manufacturing Center invested heavily in research and development. The Manufacturing Center sets a new benchmark in smart factory design and production to provide high-quality products our customers rely on. Class 100,000 clean rims are achieved through advanced micron-scale dust removal technology. Raw materials are carefully inspected to eliminate flaws. Class 4 laser marking creates a code for each printed circuit board, so you can trace its origin. Every little part is made traceable and trackable for more efficient handling. The Intelligent Manufacturing Management System provides visual oversight of the whole process, from raw materials to finished products. SMT pick-and-place equipment is used to ensure components are precisely aligned on the printed circuit boards. Contour AOI detection technology is deployed to quickly and effectively detect any flaws in the boards. The fully automated assembly line provides rapid, efficient, and highly reliable equipment assembly to ensure a consistent product build process. The Reliability Test Laboratory undertakes rigorous material certification testing, new product testing, and product cycle reliability testing to ensure quality control. The Failure Analysis Laboratory analyzes faults in semi-finished products from the SMT workshop to reduce the risk of printed circuit board assembly failure. The 5G-enabled, camera-based AI detection system in the factory improves worker safety by detecting abnormalities. Here, we value environmental protection. In 2021, an energy saving of 30% was achieved via a monitoring app that auto-controls major energy consumption devices in the factory. With over 200 manufacturing engineers and 2,000 skilled workers, the Hytera Global Manufacturing Center produced and shipped more than 1.3 million professional mobile radio terminals to our valued clients in 2021, providing faster, safer, and more efficient solutions for Hytera and users across the globe.